Guys, there's a deer out there. It's a buck! Holy crap, I don't have my glasses on right now. So, it's a buck! It's probably like a 2-point buck. I don't know. This is the first time I've seen a buck before. This is the first buck I've ever seen with my own 2 eyes. This is insane. Oh, it's eating. It's beautiful. I wish it'd let me just come up and pet it, but deer aren't like that. Is it gonna jump? It's a beautiful little guy. My lord. Look at that guy. Yo, that's a wasp collector. Don't eat that. Oh my lord, that was the most elegant jump I've ever seen. Good luck, little one. Good luck.